students of Standard 8, in Geography, you are learning about the latitudes and longitudes. Today I am going to explain Chapter 2, Latitudes and Longitudes Part 4, in which you are going to learn about the longitude and time. As you know, our Earth rotates and completes one rotation in 24 hours. So you can imagine a vast world, the Earth, which is facing the light of the sun, and each part of the Earth is seeing the sun rising or midday sun or evening and completing within 24 hours. So if you see, during the rotation, 1 degree makes 4 minutes difference, or 1 degree takes 4 minutes, and 15 degree makes a difference of 1 hour, and that is 60 minutes. And therefore, on the basis of this longitude and time, you should know some of the important terms, and they are local time, standard time, Indian standard time, and Greenwich Mean Time. What do you mean by the local time? The local time, which is recognized by the midday sun, is known as the local time. In other words, you can say the time which is followed by the position of the sun seen in the sky. So, it is not very convenient to follow it. Why? It is not accurate. It produces confusion, and therefore it cannot be followed. And therefore standard time was introduced. What do you mean by the standard time? The central meridian, which is follow the local time at the central meridian of any country, is the standard time of that particular country. So, the central meridian of any country fixes time for the country, like for India, and that is known as the Indian Standard Time. In short, it is known as IST. So, what is Indian Standard Time? Always do remember, Indian Standard Time, the standard meridian 182.5 degree is, or 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude, which is the central meridian of India, passes through Allahabad, and that fixes time for India, known as Indian Standard Time. So, do remember, 82.5 degree east meridian, which is the standard meridian of India, passes through Allahabad, fixes time for India, known as Indian Standard Time, IST. Next is, what is Greenwich Mean Time? In short, it is known as GMT. Greenwich Mean Time, what is it? The local time at Greenwich Meridian. So, do remember, the local time at Greenwich Meridian. The prime meridian, 0 degree meridian, which passes through Greenwich, known as Greenwich Meridian. So, the local time at Greenwich Meridian is known as the Greenwich Mean Time. So, all these are very important related to the time. In the beginning, I told that local time is not useful because people don't know the accurate time with the position of the sun. Like the morning or midday or noon, they can know, but not the accurate time. And therefore, standard time, which is based on the standard meridian of the country. So, I told Indian Standard Time, through the central part of India, 82 degree 30 minute east meridian passes, and that passes through Allahabad, and Allahabad fixes time for whole country, and therefore we do not have any confusion. Otherwise, easternmost part, if it is the people are saying this is the time of sun rising. At the same time, the western part, which is very far, they cannot say that this is the time of sun rising, because a vast subcontinent in India, there is time difference of 2 hours, if we see, or 1.5 hours. So it is difficult to follow, and therefore standard meridian fixes time for India. And what is the importance of the Greenwich Mean Time? This is the local time at Greenwich Meridian. And with the help of this Greenwich Meridian, we can calculate the time for any place of the world. If we know the position of the place or the longitude, which is the central meridian of that particular country. Just now I have mentioned 82.5 degree east meridian, which is the standard meridian of India. How do we know that the time of this India, which is the standard time of India, and that is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time? So, if you like to know, you have to think about the rotation. 1 degree makes a difference of 4 minutes, or 1 degree takes 4 minutes timing. So, based on that, you can calculate 82.5 degree east. What you have to do? You have to change into fraction. So, it will be 165 by 2, and that will be multiplied by these 4 minutes. So, what you have to do? If it is divisible, you can divide it. So, here you can multiply these two with 165, it will come 330. But this is not the timing, it is the 330 minutes. It will be divided by 60 and you will get 5 hours 30 minutes difference between the Greenwich Mean Time and Indian Standard Time. So, always remember the time which is followed by the eastern countries which are located to the east, their time is always ahead, and those who are located west of our country, their timing will be behind, and those who are very far west, western part to the prime meridian, they have also their timing is later. So, the eastern countries' timing is always ahead, and the countries which are located to the west, their timing always is behind it. So, you should remember about all these, and in the next class you will learn how to calculate time for other countries. Okay? Thank you.